and welcome to the Financial Room. I'm your host once again, Natasha Bridgmohan. We are at the end of April, going on to May, and right around the corner will be summer. So things are looking good, in respect to COVID-19. Our cases are going down. The variant is still there, but vaccination rates are also going up. And hopefully you have decided to figure out what you would like to do in terms of vaccine and taking care of your loved ones. And I hope you've made the right decision for you and your family, and you guys are continuing to keep safe. So we're going to talk about a topic that may be very embarrassing for a lot of people. And I don't want you to be embarrassed about this topic, because there is no harm or reason for you to be embarrassed about it, because almost 1 in 3 Canadians go through this challenge, and it is called bad credit. So I'm going to tell you how you can become a homeowner or how to obtain a new mortgage if you are facing a bad credit dilemma. So here's the good news. First and foremost, where there is a will, there is a way. Okay, you can definitely fix your credit. If you have bad credit, there is no way to go but where? Up, my friends. If you've already hit rock bottom, there is definitely solutions and resources available to help you rebuild your credit. Okay, so credit is something that is not permanent in terms of it being bad or good. It can fluctuate depending on your behavior in terms of how you approach the credit report that the TransUnion or Equifax companies are reporting on your behalf. So that's the good news. But let's just say you are in a predicament and you're living in a small crisis where you need a mortgage, regardless of your credit score or not, and your credit is bruised. So there are ways that you can still obtain a mortgage with a bad credit. The first thing that you need to do is pick up the phone, call us, and fill out an application. Once you fill out an application and give us your 2 pieces of ID, we pulled something called a internal credit bureau creditor report. You have access to a consumer report. We have access to a different type of report on your behalf, and it's very extensive. It has a lot of codings, a lot of algorithms, a lot of reporting that's very, very foreign to you, but we're able to decipher what lenders may see and decline, object, or look at it as a red flag. And how we are able to do that, we get your story, we try to navigate and find a lender that will fit your circumstances with your credit score to help you get that mortgage. And also, sometimes, believe it or not, by pulling up money in from your home and refinancing can actually fix your credit if you have any collections or any bad debts, or if you're in consumer proposal now. If you are in consumer proposal now, you can get an early discharge if you have enough equity in your home, and you can pay it out as well. If you're in bankruptcy and you're not discharged yet and you have equity in your home, you can pay out your bankruptcy earlier and get an early discharge and start rebuilding your credit. There is so many reasons why it is possible with the person who is facing credit score or bad credit right now that it can be entitled in getting a mortgage. And just because you have bad credit doesn't mean the only option is a private mortgage. There are alternative lenders out there. There are B bank lenders out there that are willing to look past just the credit score. If you are working, if you have alternative income like rental income, if you have a guarantor, there are so many possibilities where you can get qualified. So don't be afraid, my friends, to pick up the phone, ask for help. We are here to help every single homeowner in Canada with bad credit. Pick up the phone and call us. As always, the BridgGroup of companies is the home of all of your financial needs.